What's up guys, Eric here, and today I'll be unboxing two cubes. So the first one is the Moyu Weilong WRM, and the second one is the XMD Design Spark M 7x7. So let's get started. Okay, starting with the Moyu Weilong WRM. So you can see 3.475 seconds, which is a new world record for the 3x3, and it's also the Weilong GTS 3M without ridges. So without ridges, world record is the same. So let's get into the package. Okay, here's the cube. Okay. And the box just opens like this. Oh wow. So in the box you can see two parts. So this is the accessories, and this is the cube. And in the box you have a pamphlet and another pamphlet. Okay, and this Moyu card and another card. So let's look. So here's the accessory box. Okay, in the accessory box you have a pamphlet, two adjustment tool, and then one screwdriver, and then a set of the springs, screws, washers, and this blue little thing. And then we have this is the tensioning tool, and then a cord and two sets of extra magnets, and that's it for the accessories. And let's check the cube out. And this pretty nice display box. Oh, there's two plastics. Oh, it's just okay, you can put this thing like this. And put this thing on. And you can just display the cube like this. A very cool one. And this is the cube. So this is 55.5 millimeters. So let's get into first turns. So out of the box, and this cube is pretty sandy and it's fast. Ooh, you see, that is so fast. So let's check out the corner cutting. So 45 degrees, no problem. So we can cut that well over 45, and then for reverse, near line to line. Yeah. So this cube needs some breaking in, and this cube is very cool, and I love this. So let's do a soft on this. On my stack mat. Okay. Okay, pretty good. I got an 11. Yeah, I found that I often get some lockups. But this cube have a great potential, and if you guys want to buy this cube, I'll leave a link down there in the description. And let's go to the next cube. Okay, next is the XMD design Spark M, and do the box like this, and then you have the cube, and then a pamphlet, and so let's take it out. Okay, this cube is it's pretty small in my opinion. Okay, let me get my haze to compare. Okay, so this is the haze 7M, this is the Spark, and let's see the size comparison. Okay, they're pretty much the same size. Okay, and let's get first turns on this. Okay, this cube is pretty slow and a bit sandy. Okay, let's try the corner cutting. Okay, it get locked up here, so a QB, no problem. More than that? No. Okay, and reverse. Half and QB. Okay, so this cube is pretty, yeah. Okay, the sandy feeling, I don't like that. So for the mana string for this cube, the outer layers is weak. It's weaker than inner layers for sure. So stronger magnets for the inner layers just helps for the 3x3 stage. So this cube is very good in my opinion. You can try this, and I'll also leave a link to in the description also. That's it for the unboxing. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time for more. Bye.